I know that we would never work. I know that someone would get hurt. I think I have to let you go. Should be easy, but it's not. 'Cause the problem is I love you. What to do? I count to 3 when you're next to me. I love you. What to do now? Do now. Only problem is I love you. What to do? You got me bound, make my world spin round. I love you. What to do now? I want you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to be a part of a wonderful collaboration video with 3 amazing ladies. Welcome to the Halloween Decor Challenge for 2019. I hope you enjoy. So today I'll be collaborating with my beautiful friend Lisa from Live It Like Lisa. She's a fellow Aussie, as well as my 2 UK friends, Claire from Claire's Crafty Corner, as well as Tony from Crafty Decor by Tony. Now the rules guys were really simple, just put something together that was Halloween related. So here are 2 DIYs for you. Now guys, I had this piece of wood in my stash that I make signs out of. I picked this up from a thrift store for just $1. What I'm going to do here is take it outside and give it 2 coats of black spray paint. Now once it's completely dry, what I'm going to do is add the words boo. Now I picked up these beautiful glitter hanging letters from Big W. They've just been released in their Christmas collection and I knew they would be perfect for my sign. So what I'm going to do is off camera hot glue these to the front of the sign. Now off camera guys, I printed out an A4 size of these Chanel cake toppers. If you Google them, they'll come straight up. And what I've done is I've cut them out and I'm going to glue them randomly over the sign. Now once I'd had them all glued in place and put them in the position that I wanted to actually cover up the little holes where they have the hanger for the letters. So I used these dollar store rhinestones and I hot glued one to each of the letters. Once they were all in place, I then wanted to add these cute little bows that I picked up from the dollar store. What they are, guys, is just 2 bows glued together. And I took another dollar store Love Heart Diamante and I glued that to the center of the silver bow. I then glued the bow to the top left-hand side. Drying, I then moved on to my second DIY. Guys, Target this year have released this beautiful stackable lighted pumpkin. And of course, it's in orange. But your girl Chelle had to glam things up here. So what I'm going to do here first of all, guys, is take this outside and completely spray paint it white. Using my favourite Dulux spray paint, I gave it 2 coats. Once it was completely dry, I really loved how it actually looked a lot more high-end, guys, just by painting it white. Who would have thought? But I had an idea in mind where I can use both sides of this pumpkin. by taking some Mod Podge on a brush, and what I'm going to do is just cover the top stem in the Mod Podge.
You don't think before you act, something really off about that. Give me something back.
I'm then going to take my favourite gold glitter, guys, and I'm going to dust it all over the stem. Covered, I'm going to take my trusty hairspray and I'm going to secure the glitter in place. I'm then going to take these gold glitter stickers from my local dollar store. Now they're self-adhesive, guys, and I'm going to spell out the word boo as well.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along.
Once it was all complete, I was really happy with the result, guys. Something so simple, but definitely tied in so much better with my decor.
One day, a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open.
Guys, I absolutely loved sharing these simple and inexpensive DIYs with you, and I was so excited when the girls asked me if I would do a collaboration with them for Halloween.
Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand.
So guys, I'm not necessarily the biggest Halloween decorator. I decorate for every season, guys, but I've never really got into the whole Halloween style of decor. However, I really wanted to incorporate some Halloween this year, but I wanted to give it that shell touch so I could still have some glam Halloween in my home.
Just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open.
I've always been a big fan, guys, of gold and white. I have a lot of gold accents throughout my home, and I love that this inexpensive project could just take on a beautiful gold touch with a little bit of spray paint, some Mod Podge and some glitter.
I wanna be where I'm safe and sound. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them.
I also love that I got two uses out of this pumpkin stack. I could turn it either way for a different style of decorating. I love this little pumpkin, guys. It changes colour in the lights and it has that little spooky feel about it, but it also has the glam touch.
I wanna stay wide open.
Young, and we didn't want to be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes.
Leave me a comment down below, guys, if you love decorating glam for Halloween.
Smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be
A big shout out to my beautiful friends Lisa, Claire and Tony for inviting me to collaborate with them. I had so much fun putting this together.
when we were younger, we were never running out of time.
Guys, I'll leave links to their channels for you down below. Please go over and check out their videos. Don't forget to subscribe to their channels and check out their amazing ideas for Halloween this year.
When we were younger, when we were younger, I remember a girl. I would sneak into her parents' house. I could stay for hours, and we looked into.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own take at Glam Halloween.
And as soon as I left, I told my friends.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.
As long as we had each other, everything was black and white.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
When we